everybody, welcome to my nookery, and today I've not got one parcel, I've got two from Hobie. I've done it again, guys. But guys, let me just tell you why. You all know I absolutely adore Twister yarn. This is what I made. This is just one item I've made using Twister. It is the most softest, beautiful yarn I've used in a long time. It washes beautifully. It keeps its shape. I just love it. So, it can be expensive, but Hobie had I'd reduced it to £3.20 UK pounds, and I showed Rick. So Rick's the enabler for the second one, and Raven, this is a enabler alert. Sorry guys, but I think the prices have changed, but it's well worth just say every now and again nipping on to Hobie and have a look. I mean, I get the emails as well anyway. I should tell you what guys, I should have shares in this company, the amount of times I've bought from Hobie. So, and it's gone back to there. Yay! So, I'm building up. I plan to have a full shelf of just Twister yarn. How naughty is that? But needs must. So let me see, what did I get? Oh, and obviously I get points. I'm a member and I pay, so I just had to do it, guys. So I bought, oh well, with my points I got crochet is my therapy, and then I got my knitting one as well. I mean, I do two, don't I? And oh, a freebie I got. And now you know guys, I always give these away, don't I? When I do my giveaway, I always give a little bit of notions with your yarn when you win. So I got one of these. That's a freebie, I believe. So let me see what we've got. So we have got, this is, I'll just tell you the specs. So this is the cream, and it's colour 121, 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, 437 yards, 3 to 4 millimeter needles, and 3.5 to 4 millimeter hook. A 2 fine, 40-degree wash, cool iron, no tumble dry, no bleach, and it's made in Turkey but designed in Denmark. But what I like as well, it's got the Oeco-Tex, confidence in textiles. So that means it is a good yarn. So I've got two of them. I got, this is number 101, and this is white. Oh, got a sweetie as well. So I've got two of them. You can never have enough white, guys. Never. So this is Dutch blue. This is 125, which is Dutch blue, really nice blue. I got 133, which is magenta, as my super pink V says. Oh, magenta V, I should say. Oh, hold on. I got 3 of the Dutch blue, and I got 3 of the magenta, and I got 3 of the red, which is 112. Isn't that a nice red? It's darker than what the camera is showing. It is a bit darker. It looks like an orange. It's a darker red, not a bright red that what it's showing on camera. So that's them twisters I bought. So that's the first. Oh, and I got a bag of gummy bears. I love them gummy bears. So in the next bag, I can't quite remember what I bought. I think I did get more. Hold on. Turn your scissors around the right way, Linda, because you're a lefty. And the lefty scissors. Oh my lord. Yes, I got more twister, guys. So let me see my package. Right, okay. So let's see what I've got. So I bought twister again, and this is number 149. And this is dusty blue, and I got 3 of them. There we go, 3 of them. Nice blue. And then I got number 117, which is wine. Really nice burgundy wine colour. Got 2 of them. Then I got, with my points, I got myself, it says crochet is my therapy, and I've used my, excuse the crinkle guys, sorry, I'll be quick as I can. I got this canvas bag for my notions, which is quite nice. You can never have too many notions bag, guys. Don't care what anybody says, you can never have too many. So I take that off, put that to good use. So that's that. And then I got told you I got loads of I'm building up my cotton, you see. I'm going to be I'm replacing all my acrylics with either cotton or a cotton acrylic. So this one is 107, and this is 107. This is teal. This is a lovely teal colour. And then last of the twisters, this number is, I really like this green, it's 142, and it's a khaki green, and I really like that green. So yeah, and I got 3 of them. So that gives me 4, 8, 12, so that gives me nearly 1,300 yards to make a wearable. So there we go, my little tower. I'm a nutter. Right, what else did we get in here? Oh, stitch markers. Are these my, which are my, no, these aren't. A stitch marker. So I've got stitch markers. And I use my points for these. And then I didn't stop there, guys. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, not me. What else have I got in here? Oh, I've got another sweetie and another gummy bears. And then I got some of the rainbow cotton, which is 100% cotton. It's rainbow 8/4. It's a one weight, and it's 50 grams, 186 yards, 170 meters, 2.5 to 3.5 knitting needle, 2.5 to 3.5 crochet hook. It's a number 1. 40 degrees wash or a 95-degree wash, cool iron, don't dry clean and don't bleach. Well, who in their right mind would bleach cotton? I have no idea. But I got, let's see, I got, this number is 79. So I've got 2 of these, which are a dusty blue green. They are the same number, aren't they? Hold on, that's 28. What's this one? 28. I got 1 of them. Hold on. I think I'm missing something. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number 5, 28, that's a light jeans blue. Then this is 79, which is a dusty blue green. Then I got what's this? This is 53, and I got 2 of these. These are yellow, lovely yellow. Then I got number 60, and this is Bordeaux. 87 is Petunia Pink. 25 is Pastel Mint. And then number 3 is Nude. So they've not sent me, they haven't sent me grey brown. Yeah, so I'll have to contact them and tell them they've charged me for them, but I haven't got them. So, and that's very unusual for Hobie, I must admit. But they've missed off 2 of the grey brown, so I need to email them about that. So yeah, guys, that's my Hobie. And because what I was thinking the other day, you know, guys, I'm not a blanket girl. I'm enjoying doing my blankets, what I'm doing at the moment. Shawls and wraps and that, I love making them, but they're just sitting here in a box not being used. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a knitted one and a crochet one, which I'm going to give away in a live, maybe the end of this month. See how I go, but I'm giving them away. And so I was just sat here and I was thinking, I love making wearables. Don't get me wrong, I'm enjoying making the blanket. You know, if I get an order for a baby blanket, I enjoy doing that. But I was talking to my dad, and he said to me, Linda, he said, you've always made wearables, always. He said you make doilies and you do things for the house. You know, years and years ago you used to make things for the house and whatever. And I was talking to him today, and he said, why just, you know, do the things that you love doing. Not because everybody else is doing it, but what you love to do, whether you crochet them or you knit them. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making wearables, and I'm hoping to do videos as well. And so we'll see how that goes, to be honest. Let's just see how that goes. I'm really looking forward to spreading my wings, so to speak. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now I've got to find places for all this to go now, guys. And I think I'm going to struggle a bit. So, if anybody would like to yeah, so I had a thought then, but I changed my mind. Never mind. Well, it's a woman's prerogative, guys. So yes, guys, so thank you all so very, very much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. I have now got to find some space for this cotton yarn, and see how that goes, eh? Oh, I could crush a grape. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you all so very, very much for watching today. Do so appreciate it. Don't forget, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon twice so that you get notifications of all the videos and my lives. And do check out the community tab as well, because I often do shout outs, and if you need a shout out, just let me know and I can give you a shout out on my community tab. It's a wet, miserable day here, so nothing what's so exciting than reorganising my yarn shelves again. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.